What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you a rundown of mine and others' favorite features of the PersonaFi app so far in the beta. So let's take a look so you can see what you're missing. Actually, don't worry, we're going to give some exciting information and news about how you can get on the app too at the end of this video. Hopefully you take us up on it and you can start building a community to follow and share with. Let's take a look. Okay, so first let's talk about drowning out all the unnecessary noise you find in Facebook, Discord, and StockTwits. When you're on the PersonaFi app, there's a public feed and a friends feed. Let's pull up the app so you can check it out for yourself. Okay, so I'm in the app, and if you look at the top, I've got a public feed and a friends feed. This public feed is going to show posts from everyone on the app. But let's say it's a little too hot right now and there's a lot of posts coming in about specific stocks or crypto like AMC or Dodge that you don't really care about. Well, I can switch over to my friends feed and now I only see what's being posted by the people that I follow. This is great for turning down the noise when there's big hype happening in the markets about a specific topic. I know some of you can relate to your news feed being dominated by something you have no interest in. But with the PersonaFi app, you can tune what you see by following people you find valuable to you and your trading style in particular. It's important to mention that you can go into your settings inside your profile and change your push notification options. I have notifications on for when people I follow make a post so I can check my phone, see if they're looking at an entry into a new play, and decide to follow along with that play in real time. I don't have to wait for text messages or check my Facebook feed every 15 minutes and just hope Facebook algorithm has brought something to the top that I'm interested in. Right about now, you're probably wondering, okay, well, how should I find new people to follow on the app? Well, you can click this little magnifying glass at the bottom and it will show you featured posts. This is a place that you can see where a lot of people have been interacting with a specific post. Maybe someone is posting about a play they just made and their followers are liking it. Or maybe they are telling their followers they just exited for a good profit. This is a good place to start looking for new people. Keep in mind that this is a beta app and there will be more features coming like trending items and much more. Around the time that this video is releasing, there should be another update rolling out with some cool new features that the dev team's been working on. If you like new features being added, leave a like for our dev team. They're working hard on new features and they just keep rolling them out. This app gives you the ability to see posts from specific people that you find valuable to your personal trading strategy. To me, this right here is my main complaint with Facebook and is part of the reason we're so excited about the app. This app also gives the ability to see exactly what people are holding, buying, and selling. If I click on someone's profile, I can then click on their portfolio or their trades and see what they're up to. This brings a level of transparency between investors that you can't get anywhere else. Let's say I want to see what someone big is doing, like Ken, who is our CEO and co-founder of PersonaFi, who also has 12 years of industry experience and a lot of time in the markets. All I have to do is look at his profile. I don't have to stalk him on Twitter and Facebook, sending him messages to try and figure out what he's doing. I can simply just see what he has and decide for myself if I want to be in the same stocks as him. If you want people to see what you are doing and build your following, all you have to do is link your brokerage through Plaid and you're ready to go. One of the last cool features I'm loving from the app is the addition of being able to click on a ticker like this and pull up the stock information like volume, high, low, etc. Now remember, this is a beta, so that's why there isn't a graph here yet, but things are being added regularly, so stand by for updates. Below the graph, you can actually find relevant news articles and read through them straight from the app itself. Now I don't need to have multiple apps open. I can see a whole bunch of relevant information about a stock and then also be able to read other people's thoughts on it, see articles, and include my own hashtags and tickers so that other people can interact the same way on the app. Okay, so how do you get on the beta? First off, you have to have iOS. Android is in the works, but it won't be ready until mid-October, unfortunately. Make sure to subscribe and join our Facebook, linked in the description, for updates so you can get on when Android becomes available. Okay, for iOS users, make sure your phone has the most current version of iOS updated and then click the link in the video description that leads to test flight. That's it, easy peasy. Be sure to check test flight for new builds of the app. If you open test flight instead of seeing open next to PersonaFi like this, it says update. Be sure to click update so you're on the latest build to keep things running smoothly. I hope to see you all on the app soon, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.